It's Tuesday, the 20th of December, and we are on the Ftse 100. So let's have a look at this market for today. Okay, so we are in the week leading up to Christmas, first of all. So in this week, sometimes you can just see very, very choppy sideways price action where the market doesn't really go anywhere at all. If we see that, so after the 8 a.m. open, if the market is very, very choppy, if it's not going anywhere, sort of the first half an hour, 45 minutes, it's just a sign not to trade. You have to take each trading day as it comes in the lead up to Christmas. My analysis on this market for trading remains the same. If we see any bullish rallies, I'm more than happy to sell into those rallies. I'm not expecting strong bullish price action to come into this market without sellers stepping in. Going into next year, also, I'm still expecting a correction to come into this market, basically, stronger than we've seen on the 12th of December. That will likely come in at the start of next year now. For today, at or closer to the open, I'm more than happy to look at this zone right here. Basically the 7.015 levels for potential sell positions. And then after that, it is really rallying up into any of these zones where I would be willing to watch for those same sell positions. And that's the main thing or things I am looking at for today. Basically what you can see is the market has been stepping up. However, as it's got up into these key levels, it hasn't really gone anywhere at all. There's been no strong strength coming into the market. We've just seen the market trying to push up and rejecting over and over again. And now in the week leading up to Christmas, I am still expecting sellers to step into the market. So anytime we push up, I'm not expecting the buyers to hold on to those positions going into the Christmas holidays, certainly, whilst this market is so close to its all-time highs. So I'm expecting profit taking, and I'm expecting sellers stepping into the market. Okay, so let's see what happens today. Let's see if we trade at all. If you see price action like this, you can see it's very, very choppy. Let me get back to yesterday's price action right here. You can see the market is very, very choppy, lots and lots of tails, just moving sideways, sort of between 12 o'clock all the way into the close. This is the sort of thing that if I see, I just won't be trading. But we'll see what happens after the open. I will be watching these zones for potential sell positions. And then what I will do is I will come back at 4:30. We'll have a look at what the market did. And we'll go over what that suggests for the market moving forward. And zone traders, I will, as always, take you through any potential setups. Okay, we're coming up to the close of the Ftse, so let's have a look at this market from today. So we've had an up day, but the market has not really gone anywhere at all. It's still not tested the previous highs, which are strong resistance in this market. Now, if the market comes up there, I'm more than happy to watch these areas for shorting positions as mentioned. So on the 5-minute time frame, got a very nice trade early on today. Short position after the 7:50 a.m. pin bar, took the market down into the zone below and then was finished for the day relatively quickly. That will be the live trade that is posted up as a separate video. You then get another opportunity to get short up here on another pin bar. You can see the market comes down, it retests, and it comes back down into previous lows once again. The market then breaks up, rallies up. You start to get buy positions, and the market then moves up, and it does what you quite often see when we have low volatility. It just ranges sideways, and you get some very, very choppy price action. So that was everything from today, guys. Nice early morning trades. See how the markets go for the rest of the week. As mentioned, just play it by ear. Watch the open, see how the markets react. If it's very quiet, I just don't trade. Okay, so as always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James Orr, and thank you.